think they're watching the game too.
Why don't people always watch football games?
Good question.
Yeah, all they are boys. You said they would come over.
I did. I told them.
And what'd they say?
I said they'll come, but then I guess they didn't.
This one's out. On a sparkler. I want the sparkler on too. Hey, can I play with one of these?
You get hurt with those things.
No, we know when to throw them. We know when to throw them, Daddy.
Where you throw one?